Quattro Express is a retractable tie-down with a self-tensioning and self-retracting mechanism to quickly and safely secure wheelchairs. Our self-tensioning wheelchair tie-down can be used to secure the front or the rear of a wheelchair. Ensure that a front tie-down has been fitted before fitting Quattro Express Solo at the rear of the wheelchair. Place the pair of self-retracting tie-downs with the carabiners facing outward like so. Attach Quattro Express Solo onto the rear anchor points by aligning the button within the cleat to the slot on the floor anchors. Slide the cleat fully home and rotate the assembly through 90 degrees. Extend the webbing and attach the carabiner around the wheelchair frame. The self-tensioning mechanism automatically removes any slack in the webbing. The yellow positive locking label must be clearly visible. Repeat the operation with the other side. Final tensioning is achieved by turning the black handles towards the wheelchair until the webbing is equally taut on each Quattro Express unit. Ensure that the yellow positive labels are still clearly visible on both sides. An occupant restraint must now be fitted. See relevant video. To remove Quattro Express Solo, press the yellow release button, unfasten the carabiner from the wheelchair frame and guide the webbing into the covered reel. Turn the cleat back through 90 degrees and slide it off the floor anchor point. Repeat the operation on the other side and store safely.